Hi, my name is Andrew George. This is my partner Pavel. I've been here for 15 years. Pavel's been here for 20 years. We've been working in Marathon for the last 20 years as general contractors.
Yes, good morning. My name is Pavel, and like my partner said, I've been here in Marathon for 20 years. I got here in 2000 with my beautiful wife and my two little kids. And my kids grow up over here and they went to school, high school, and I fell in love with the Marathon kid, with the key, and we saw that, like Andrew said, we saw that business after Irma that got destroyed, and then actually before that I used to come over here to the gym, and I used to do my gym over here, and then we decided to buy the building and do something with it. And here we are. We totally got it, and we updated to the 2017 building code, and we're gonna have a beautiful place right over here in US 1. And people are gonna love it. Thank you.